Let's now with lesson 5, part 2. So we're going to have a review option in this added feature, but let me go ahead and sign in first so we can show you how this works. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in, and then it'll take me to my home page, which is right here. So I'm going to go ahead and review this hibiscus. So it'll tell me to put in my review, and I'm going to go ahead and be like, great flowers. So as you can see, it says review great flowers. But let's say I wanted to change that review. I can go ahead and hit review again and do bad flowers. And I can hit OK and it'll automatically change. Let's say I go ahead and hit review. But I was like, okay, I changed my mind. I don't really want a review or anything on this. I can go ahead and hit the cancel button. And then this will change to user has decided not to review. So yeah, that is my creative work for this lesson. Thanks.